Friends, here we are talking about arithmetic operators using JQ command. Let me go with command line. So here simply without any input directly I am providing two numbers and I am doing the addition for them. Yes, you are getting output as 9. Now instead of both as integers, let me take one as float point. Yes, it's working. And here instead of directly providing your numbers, let me take them as variables. Let's say export x equals to 4 and export y equals to some 5.2 or any number. Now let me use those variables in our JQ expression. So we can access them using env.x plus env.y. Now see the result. You are not getting output as 9.2. Instead of that you are getting 45.2 because we know that env.x and env.y, I mean the variables which are from env always are strings. That's why simply these two are joining. These two strings are concatenating. But we know that our inputs are numbers. Then we need to add them. So for that you have to convert your data into number using to number operation. But just observe the output. See, you are getting an error like number 4 and string 5.2 cannot be added. So actually you are applying two number function operation on both the variables. But here number 4 we are getting, but here we are not getting a number. Actually we are getting, but because of operator precedence. So compared to pipeline, plus has highest operator precedence property. That's why after finding this, immediately your plus is trying to add these two. But anyway, one is number, one is string. That's why it is not happening. Now compared to all operators, parenthesis has highest priority. That's why, see what I am doing. I am applying, let's say, for this parenthesis. Then this operation will be done first. Same way here I am applying parenthesis. Now your JQ command will execute this and this before this plus symbol. That's why first we are converting number here and here. Then those numbers we are supplying to plus. Now see the result you are getting. Now you can also add now some string into this. Let's say I am doing in this way. Sum equals to. Then we know that now this is a number. Be clear. And this is a string. Number and string you can't add. Then if you want to add these two, then anyway this string we can't convert as a number, but this is a number. That's why we can convert them as a string by using toString function. But for that also, see, I am using this parenthesis. Then on that I am applying toString. Now you applied this parenthesis for this operation, but after that you are doing toString. But now again, compared to this plus has highest priority to execute your operation. That's why for this entire operation, whatever you have, that I am writing inside one more parenthesis. Now see the result. That's it. Now using this logic, just I implemented a simple shell script just to find your arithmetic operations. So here I am going to pass our data in this way, command line arguments. Yes, you are getting. Suppose if you pass, let's say, one number and one number as 0, then some subtraction multiplication you are getting, but division is not possible. We know that some number by 0 will get an exception. That's what you are getting here. Okay, thank you.